Stop by and take a look at the 2026 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.